Welcome back to Core Tech. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2027 Intel Arc A580, a graphics card designed to strengthen Intel's position in the competitive mid-range GPU market. With improved drivers, better efficiency, and refined performance tuning, the Arc A580 aims to deliver solid gaming and creative performance for mainstream users in 2027. Design and build quality. The 2027 Intel Arc A580 features a clean, modern design with a focus on practicality and airflow. Its dual-fan cooling solution is compact enough for most PC cases while still offering reliable thermal performance. A reinforced frame and sturdy backplate add durability, making the card suitable for everyday gaming systems and long-term use. XeHPG architecture. At the heart of the 2027 Intel Arc A580 is Intel's refined XeHPG architecture. With architectural optimizations and better software support, this GPU delivers improved efficiency and more consistent performance across modern APIs. These refinements help the Arc A580 perform more reliably in both newer titles and older games compared to earlier Arc generations. Gaming performance. In gaming, the 2027 Intel Arc A580 is built primarily for 1080p resolution. It handles modern AAA titles at medium to high settings with smooth frame rates, while esports titles run comfortably at high refresh rates. At 1440p, performance remains playable with optimized settings, making it a flexible option for budget-conscious gamers. Ray tracing and DLSS. Ray tracing on the 2027 Intel Arc A580 has matured thanks to ongoing driver improvements and better game optimization. While it's not designed for heavy ray tracing workloads, it delivers enjoyable visuals in supported titles. Intel's DLSS upscaling technology plays a key role by boosting frame rates and maintaining image quality, especially at higher resolutions. Memory and connectivity. The 2027 Intel Arc A580 comes equipped with fast GDDR6 memory, providing enough bandwidth for modern games and creative applications. Connectivity options include HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort, enabling support for high-refresh monitors and multi-display setups. This ensures compatibility with current display standards and future upgrades. Power efficiency and thermals. Efficiency is a key focus of the 2027 Intel Arc A580. Improved power management allows the GPU to deliver consistent performance without excessive power draw. Thermals are well controlled, with the cooling system maintaining stable temperatures and quiet operation during extended gaming sessions. Software and driver support. One of the biggest improvements for the 2027 Intel Arc A580 is software maturity. Intel's Arc Control software offers performance tuning, driver updates, and monitoring tools in a clean interface. Continued driver optimization has significantly improved game compatibility and overall stability, making the Arc A580 a more dependable choice than earlier Arc models. Creative and media workloads. Beyond gaming, the 2027 Intel Arc A580 performs well in media-focused tasks. Hardware-accelerated video encoding and decoding make it suitable for streaming, video editing, and content consumption. Creators working with lightweight projects will appreciate the balance between performance and efficiency. Who is it for? The 2027 Intel Arc A580 is ideal for budget gamers, first-time PC builders, and users upgrading from older GPUs. It's well-suited for 1080p gaming, casual content creation, and everyday computing without breaking the bank. Conclusion. The 2027 Intel Arc A580 represents a more mature and refined step forward for Intel's graphics lineup. With solid 1080p performance, improved drivers, modern features, and competitive efficiency, it stands as a strong mid-range option in 2027.